Howdy, folks, this is Partyfish, and today I will be plagiarizing a recipe from the brilliant channel You Suck at Cooking, tweaking the recipe for my own personal tastes, and more significantly, the ingredients I actually have on hand. The first steps are easy. Pot, water, boil. Turn the heat to low and put in the eggs, 1 egg per sandwich. Bring the water back to a boil and let the eggs die in agony for 10 minutes. While the eggs are cooking, toast some bread. Only put 1 slice in each side. Take the toast out of the toaster. If it's too hot, you can take it out with a knife, but this method is usually frowned upon and thus should be avoided. Next, we'll prepare a bowl of ice water for the eggs. Since ice is frozen, it's difficult to get out of the ice-holding container. You're further handicapped by using half of your arms to record this tedious process. You can use a knife to aid in the endeavor. Perfect. Then remember that heat is inductive, and move the ice bowl away from the raging flames, seeking to ruin all of the progress you just made. At this point, the eggs are almost done boiling. Let's butter that bread. Glorious. The eggs are done now, so take them out of the boiling water and put them on a plate. Then remember you prepared an ice bath for the eggs and transfer them into the bowl instead. The point of the ice bath is to cool off the eggs and keep them from cooking. If you touch the side of the bowl and the conductive heat burns your hands, something is very wrong because the water is cold enough that shouldn't happen. Once the eggs are cool to the touch, take them out of the water and dry them off. Peel the shell, off of the egg corpses. I put the shells on a paper towel so that they're easier to throw away, compost, or recycle, depending on how environmentally savvy I'm feeling. What? You don't recycle eggshells? Anyway, now that the eggs are peeled, slice them. The eggs are kind of wet and slippery, so this process is exceedingly difficult, especially when one of your hands is shakily holding a phone for recording. I think I'll try You Suck at Cooking's auto chop technique. Okay, it isn't perfect, but the eggs are sliced now. Honestly, this plating is beautiful. I'm very proud of myself. Alas, we have a sandwich to make, so destroy the art of elegantly arranged severed eggs and place those slices on the sandwich. Now, this next step is vitally important. If you use the lame white bits of the egg, the sandwich will be uneven and fall apart. At least I think so, honestly, I haven't tried it. So, what you have to do is you have to find the best girl in the room and gift the egg bits to her. Oh, there she is. Who's a good girl? You're a good girl. Yeah, enjoy those egg bites. Anyway, back to the sandwich. You Suck at Cooking put avocado slices on his sandwich, but I currently do not possess avocados. I do have these individually packaged guacamole packs, though. Spread that on the eggs. Realize that 2 hands would make it easier. Give up on spreading and just pat the guacamole until it's evenly-ish coated. Salt and pepper, pepper, pepper. Sorry for stealing your joke, You Suck at Cooking. It's just so much fun to say. Now I put some sriracha on the other piece of bread, but I like it spicier than that. I've been wanting to put red pepper flakes on this, but I can't seem to find any, so this chipotle chili powder will have to do for now. I'm assuming this is spicy. I honestly have no clue. Now realize that the plate you were going to put the other sandwich on has been licked clean by the dog. Grab another plate from the cabinet and plate the sandwich, ignoring the many, many dirty dishes you've made and will need to clean up in the near future or risk the wrath of the homeowners. And here it is, the final product. You can cut the sandwich if you want, just make sure it's a triangle. Triangles are scientifically the strongest and most delicious shape. Thanks for watching this video, and wow, the chili powder is really good. Alright, bye.